definitely going to want to save this recipe. I am making delicious peanut butter and jelly cups. So what I'm using in this recipe is of course the Happy Way peanut butter protein powder. So for the base of this recipe, we're going to be using some melted dark chocolate. I've also added just a little bit of coconut oil in there and melted that all together. Now for the middle mixture, this is the peanut butter section. We are going to be using, of course, some natural peanut butter. I've got some coconut oil. I'm using maple syrup as my sweetener of choice. And then I'm just going to be using 15 grams of the protein powder. We're going to melt that together on the stove, whisk it until it's well combined. And then for the jelly part, of course, we're just going to be using some strawberry jam. Now to make it, I would normally use little cupcake molds, but unfortunately I forgot to buy patty pans. So we're going to be using these silicone ice cube molds instead. They will do the job perfectly fine. So we're going to start by layering it up. So we'll start with putting our chocolate mixture in here, coating that all around so it's coated on the bottom and on the sides. And then we are going to pour in our peanut butter mixture, and then we're just going to leave a little bit of room at the top to pop our jam. Now we're going to put that in the freezer to set. That should take about 2 hours to freeze. And then we're going to pop them out of our molds and enjoy.